you ever wondered what it's like to get hit by a car and not have your seatbelt on? Well, I'll tell you one thing, it ain't pretty. Did you know that the speed at which you're going times the mass that you have is how much force is inflicted on you when you get in an accident? That's enough to send you through a quarter-inch windshield and flying, skidding on the cement. Seatbelts help restrain your body to the chair, and so when you get hit by that, it absorbs most of the force. So the next time you think, oh, it's just around the corner, or I don't really need to put on my seatbelt, buckle up anyway. It could save your life, or someone else's.